That's a great question. And actually, let me show you this right now because it ties in perfectly. I'm going to share my screen with you. This is our website chat concierge. So while Megan is handling your phone calls, our chat concierge is working on your website at the same time. Same idea, but just a different entry point. So watch what happens when a visitor lands on your site, starts typing. It will greet them, qualify them, and if they're ready, it books them directly onto your calendar. No forms, no submissions, no sitting in an inbox, no someone will get back to you. It handles it in real time. So you have Megan on the phone and you have a concierge on your website. Your team walks in every morning to a calendar that is being filled while they were asleep. Your website is constantly working for you. Your current employees are free to handle in house issues or customers currently in their presence. All right, so let me show you how it works. Let me share my screen with you. So now you have a visitor who has landed on your website. And as they're scrolling through, they will see the concierge right over here that they can talk to anytime they're ready. And what will happen if they click on the concierge? They can either click and talk to the concierge with a live voice or they can chat with her on Facebook. So let's go with the live voice.
Hey there, my name is Samantha AI. I am a demo voice assistant at Edge Effect AI Business Automation. What is your name?
Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn. It's great to connect with you. How can I assist you today?
Well, can you tell me a little bit about what a virtual receptionist or a customer service agent does for my business?
Absolutely, Evelyn. A virtual receptionist or customer service agent like me can handle a variety of tasks to support your business. Here's a quick rundown. 1. Answering calls and inquiries. I can greet your customers warmly, answer their questions, and provide information about your services or products. 2. Booking appointments. I can schedule appointments, confirm bookings, and even send reminders to your customers. 3. Handling customer support. Whether it's resolving issues, processing returns, or escalating concerns to your team, I can ensure your customers feel heard and supported. 4. 24/7. Availability. Unlike a human team, I'm always available, day or night, so your customers never have to wait. 5. Streamlining operations. By automating routine tasks, I free up your team to focus on more complex or high value work. Would you like me to dive deeper into any of these areas or show you how I'd handle a specific scenario for your business?
Now you have an idea of what a virtual receptionist can do for your company or a virtual customer service representative can do for your company. It frees up your employees' time to handle more pressing issues, and you're doing this without having to hire another employee. So the question isn't whether your business is losing leads, because it is. Every missed call is a lost lead. Every voicemail that doesn't get left is a lost lead. One captured lead covers the cost of this system in just 1 month. So, are you ready to stop leaving that money on the table? We can have your system set up faster than you can think. Make sure to scan the QR code or go to our website and go ahead and start the process. We're going to have you up and running before you know it.